Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Aiyima T1 Pro, a new preamplifier that supports Bluetooth 5.1 and features vacuum tubes to enrich its sound quality. Priced at just under $100, this could be a compelling option for budget-conscious hi-fi enthusiasts. Let's find out if it delivers the performance it promises. The recently launched Aiyima T1 Pro currently retails for $79.99, including the appropriate power supply. Inside the box you'll find a manual, a warranty card, the T1 Pro itself, a power supply, a Bluetooth antenna and two 6186 7-pin vacuum tubes from General Electric. At the front panel you find an input/off switch, an input indicator, a tone direct switch, bass and treble controls and a volume control. At the rear panel you find the Bluetooth antenna attachment, single-ended audio inputs, stereo audio outputs, an aux output, a 12-volt trigger connection for turning connected devices on or off, a power supply input and a Bluetooth clearing button for resolving connectivity issues, though everything worked flawlessly during my testing. The installed QCC3040 Bluetooth chip supports Bluetooth version 5.1 with support for AAC, SBC, aptX, aptX LL and aptX HD. I tested the Bluetooth connection with a Samsung S20 FE and encountered no issues. The NE553P op-amps are easily replaceable, allowing you to fine-tune the sound signature of this compact preamp. For my testing, I primarily listen to music via Bluetooth, as I suspect this is the feature that most buyers will utilize. I paired the T1 Pro with the Fosi Audio V3 amplifier, which retails for around $90, and the $200 Davis Acoustics Ariane 1 speakers. Including some moderately priced cables, you can assemble a full stereo setup for just about $400. One of the standout features of the T1 Pro is its reliability. I never encountered any issues with the Bluetooth connection. To thoroughly evaluate the sound quality of the Aiyima T1 Pro, I selected Donald Fagen's New Frontier for its rich production and intricate instrumentation. Here's a breakdown of my listening experience. The bass line in New Frontier is tight and well defined. Through the T1 Pro, the bass was neither overwhelming nor underwhelming. It provided a solid foundation that was present but never overpowering. The rhythmic bass groove maintained its clarity and punch, driving the song forward without muddying the mix. The balanced struck here would appeal to those who appreciate a clear yet impactful low end. The mid-range is where the T1 Pro shines. Donald Fagen's distinctive vocals were rendered with exceptional clarity without any noticeable coloration. The lush synth sections in New Frontier were well articulated, allowing each layer of sound to be discerned clearly. The treble frequencies were smooth and refined. The higher register sounds, such as cymbals and hi-hats, were crisp without being harsh. The T1 Pro's vacuum tubes effectively smoothed out the top end, delivering a pleasing treble response that was free from sibilance or brittleness. New Frontier features a complex arrangement with a wide soundstage, and the T1 Pro effectively placed instruments within this expansive audio landscape. The sense of depth was also remarkable, enhancing the overall realism of the performance. Experimenting with the tone controls, I found that they subtly influence the sound signature. While they do offer some fine-tuning, they do not drastically alter the character of the music.
Transformation in 3, 2, 1.
Now it's time to address some of the strengths and weaknesses of the T1 Pro. One noticeable aspect is that the T1 Pro's tone controls have a minimal impact on altering the sound signature. This subtle adjustment may limit its appeal to those who prefer more dramatic tonal changes. While the sound quality is good for the price, it may not fully satisfy audiophiles seeking the distinctive warmth and richness typically associated with tube amplifiers. And finally, the bass, while balanced, may lack the depth and punch that some listeners prefer. On the plus side, the Aiyima T1 Pro offers exceptional value for its price. Retailing at just under $100, it features Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, ensuring reliable and high-quality wireless audio streaming. The inclusion of two General Electric 61867 7-pin vacuum tubes enhances the sound signature with a touch of smoothness, particularly noticeable in the treble range. The pre-amplifier's neutral sound profile, combined with precise imaging and a good soundstage, makes it suitable for a wide range of music genres. The construction is solid and the front and rear panel controls are well organized and user-friendly. Additionally, the NE553P op-amps are easily replaceable, allowing for customization of the sound signature. The Aiyima T1 Pro is a compelling choice for budget-conscious hi-fi enthusiasts. With its reliable Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, user-friendly design and neutral sound profile, it offers excellent value for just under $100. The inclusion of vacuum tubes adds a touch of warmth to the sound, while the replaceable op-amps provide opportunities for customization. Although the tone controls are subtle and the bass may not be as deep as some might prefer, the T1 Pro delivers a well-rounded performance that makes it a worthy addition to any budget stereo setup. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye!